Potatoes have a way in my heart, and I absolutely adore or enjoy eating potatoes. So in this recipe, we are going to be adding in a few ingredients and make some sweet chili potatoes, which are going to turn out amazing, very delicious, sweet, and a little bit spicy. You're going to need around 10 to 15 medium potatoes, which are peeled and washed. Then next, you're going to slice your potato into rings, just like this. Prep up some onions. We have some assorted peppers, which are going to add in a very nice color. Also, we have carrots. The key ingredient is sweet chili, and I have a third cup sweet chili, a third cup ketchup, and a few spices, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. We are going to start off by placing a frying pan over medium flame and wait for around 1 to 2 minutes until the cooking oil is ready to fry our potatoes. The recipe is very simple, as you can see, with very basic ingredients. You're going to drop in a piece of your potato to check if the cooking oil is ready. Once the potato floats, the oil is ready to fry. Using your skimmer, you're going to carefully drop in some more potatoes. Toss the potatoes with the skimmer. Avoid overcrowding your pan because the temperature of the oil is going to drop, and then you're going to have some soggy potatoes, and we need some crispy and very delicious potatoes. So because we've already prepped up the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to wait for the potatoes to fry for around 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how your potatoes are going to be looking. So you're going to shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Add in your next round. When the next round of potatoes is ready, you're going to put out the flames and scoop out using a skimmer, transfer to the rest. I absolutely love how the potatoes have turned out and everything is looking perfect. So next I'm going to pick another pan because we're going to be adding in some flavor to our potatoes. A minute. I'm going to transfer this to my burner over here and place my pan over medium flame. Add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. You don't need too much oil because the potatoes are already fried in oil. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get hot. Then you're going to add in 1 large onion, which is sliced halfway. Stir your onions and cook until soft. That is going to take around 30 seconds to a minute. Once your onions are soft, you're going to be adding in a few spices. That is half a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And also I'm going to be adding in a beef seasoning cube, which is quite optional. You can substitute with some salt. I just love the flavor that the cube adds. So I'm going to smash the cube into the pan, add in my seasoning, stir in the seasoning, then you're going to toss for around 10 to 20 seconds, and this is going to make the spices very flavorful. And once done, add in your assorted peppers, carrots, toss and cook for around a minute or until the capsicum is soft. When the capsicum is soft, you're going to add in some ketchup. our key ingredient, which is sweet chili. The sweet chili is going to add in some sweetness and a little bit of spiciness. Stir in the ketchup and the sweet chili into the already looking capsicum and onions together with carrots. Add in a splash of water, that is around 2 tablespoons. Bring the flames to medium. Wait for the sauce to come to a boil. And once ready, you're going to add back your potatoes in the pan. Stir in and coat the potatoes with the delicious sauce and the veggies. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in a little bit more salt. If you have not added in the seasoning cube, the salt is going to perfect the seasoning. Just look how delicious this is looking. So you're going to cook for another 1 minute because you don't want to lose the crunchiness in the capsicum. After a minute, the potatoes are very well seasoned and the capsicum is not overcooked. Everything is looking perfect. So I'm going to put out the flames. Serve. Wow, the aroma in the kitchen is so good. Can't wait to try out my potatoes. So this is a very nice way that you can jazz up potatoes by adding in a few basic ingredients which you definitely have in your kitchen, and the outcome is going to be very delicious. This is a recipe for around 2 people. You can double or even triple the ingredients to make more for your family. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.